Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can add widgets in iPhone. So if you want to add a widgets, you must pick the site where you want to add. Like I want to add in this site to add a widget. So if you want to add a widget, just tap and hold for 1 second in space but not in application, like this space anywhere, like this. After tap and hold for 1 second, it will shake like this. Then you can see on top left corner plus icon. Just click on this plus icon, then you will find widgets, different type of widgets. I'm choosing this clock widget. So if you slide, you will find different type of version or variant of clocks. So I'm choosing the first one. So if you like this one, just click on add widget. So after clicking on add widget, it will shake like this, and you have to click on done, which is on top right corner. Click on done and your widgets is added. Okay, so if you want to move this widget placement, just click and hold and drag down. Drag where you want to add this widget. Okay guys, and click on done. So guys, this is how you can add a widget in iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.